Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to save battery by blocking apps launches on HONOR X7d. First of all, I want to mention that HONOR phones do a great job on saving your battery by managing your apps working in the background. But if you want to do this manually, you just have to swipe down the control center and tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Now in settings, you have to go to apps menu, then go to the app launch section, and if some apps work too much in the background and you want to restrict a background activity for them manually, you have to switch the toggle next to this application to the left and then switch all of these toggles to the left. You see in front of you, tap OK. And by doing this, you will stop this application from running in the background. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.